Welcome, friends. My name is Avinash and I welcome all of you to another interesting episode of Corporate Face-to-Face series. Friends, in this initiative, we talk to emerging companies from emerging sectors, and we make it a point to talk to the promoters of such companies. And we talk to the promoters about their business model, their growth journey, their future plans. And today, friends, we have got a very interesting company which is already listed in the SME capital market space. The company's name is Gretex Corporate Services Limited, and we have the privilege of having Mr. Alok Harlalka, who's the promoter and managing director of the company. Alokji, thank you very much for sparing your valuable time. I'm quite sure that in this small interaction, we will be
Thank you,
able to
sir.
understand your company's operations in a much better manner.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
So, Alokji, पहला सवाल, if you could tell us something about the company's business model, what is the main business of our company? और बेसिकली थोड़ा सा आपका मर्चेंट बैंकिंग और बाकी सब बिजनेसेस के बारे में हमको बताइए कि एक्चुअली ग्रेटेक्स कॉर्पोरेट सर्विसेज क्या बिजनेस चलाती है एंड इफ यू कुड आल्सो टेल अस इन अ वेरी ब्रीफ मैनर कि सर आपने ये बिजनेस जर्नी कैसे शुरू की, हाउ डिड यू स्टार्ट दिस बिजनेस? इफ यू कुड टेल अस आवर व्यूअर्स एंड यू कैन स्टार्ट.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Thank you, Avinash, for giving me an opportunity to speak in front of you. So, GCSL, that company, Gretex Corporate Services Limited, has been incorporated in the year 2008. And we have started with the debt syndication. And 2011, we have done more than 50 transactions in terms of direct listing. If you know that the regional stock exchanges were getting closed, so we have got an opportunity to get them list on BSE or NSE, that direct listing method. So I think we are the one of the best performer in terms of number of listing which we have done. As I said, more than 50 companies we got listed, which were listed with different regional stock exchanges to the main board of Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange. Suppose that we have done this transaction for next 3 years. In 2013, we have made an application with SEBI for the license, and 2014 we got the license from SEBI as a category 1 merchant banker. So in 2017, we got first company listed under the banner of Gretex in January 2017. Got first company listed, and from there we started. We have done very great job in terms of number of listing, and from there we have we did all SME IPO. Till now we have done 44 company that we have done till now. And during this period, you can say when we have started in 2017, quality of company was not too good. But yeah, after this, you can say COVID, we have done couple of good transactions that we have done. And then we started filtering out the quality companies with potential for growth. So, and by God grace, we have been awarded by the exchange as a top volume performer for last 3 consecutive years. So this is how we have done our journey from the 2008 till now.
I think very nicely articulated, Alok ji. Alok ji, अभी हम मुझे बताइए कि in terms of the entire products and services which Gretex offers to its corporate clients, apart from the SME IPO, which are the other kind of product and services which you offer to the clients? इसके बारे में थोड़ा बताइए.
Yeah, sure. So under GCSL, we do SME IPO also. We have done some right issues also. And we are also doing some main board IPOs. We obviously do some valuation. We also do delisting. We also done some open offers that we do under the GCSL. And in the broking, we do basically the market making. We also underwrite the issue, and we also grab some pre-IPO investment opportunities where we do not act as a merchant banker or the market maker. And we also do the institutional broking in our broking arm.
Basically, I was asking you that our business model, as far as the broking business is concerned, Alok ji, is different. We are largely in the market making segment. So, इसके बारे में बताइए, sir.
Yeah.
How do you see the potential over the next, say, 3 to 4 years, and how profitable can this segment be for the company?
See, to be very honest, the kind of opportunity what we have seen in the market making, because when we do any listing as a merchant banker, so we supposed to have the proper due diligence of the company, of the promoter, and the business model and the growth story. So we get confidence from our side that yes, company has a potential to grow. So that is why we can encash or we grab an opportunity to act as a market maker as well. So whatever company we have done in last 20 or 25 IPOs, if you see, most of the company market making was done by us only, and we have made very good revenue out of it. So when we do the due diligence of any company as a merchant banker, so we get an opportunity to invest in the company as a market maker. There we can make better money, and the way what we are looking forward in the future, even the same process. If you follow the success ratio of getting success is, I think maybe 80-20 ratio are there compared to last 5 years. If you see,
Okay. So understood. Alok ji, now since you said that market making is going to be your core business activity as far as the broking business is concerned,
yeah,
मेरे को बताइए
yeah.
कि हमने काफी प्रोमिनेंट एसएमई आईपीओस किए, तो इसमें से दो तीन जो काफी अच्छे एसएमई आईपीओस आपने किए, अगर इफ यू कैन शेयर 2-3 नेम्स फॉर आवर व्यूअर्स.
Yes, yes. Definitely, it is my pleasure to say that if you see our last 3-4 companies which we have done, the company called Amit Forging Limited. This company is they are into forging engineering. This company is based out of Kolkata, and we got listed this company in December 2023, and IPO price was 126. And we today you see the price is more than 650. Even this price has gone up till 880, I guess. This is the first company under the banner of Gretex which has got subscribed more than 200 times, and the kind of return, as I already said, कि 880 तक का price भी गया है. So definitely investor has made more money. And second company back to back, prior to MX Forging, the company called Kalyani Castek Limited. This we also got listed in November 2023, and the issue price was, if I'm not wrong, it was 135 or so. And today you can see the price of this company as well, it is more than 400 plus. Even this इसका भी price भी more than 600 गया था. So these two company has performed very well, and even last company which we got listed, company called OVS Metals and Minerals Resources Limited. ये कंपनी की लिस्टिंग हमने 4 मार्च को लिस्टिंग हुई थी, 4 मार्च 2024 को लिस्टिंग हुई थी. Today you can see the price of this company is more than 700 within a span of 40 days. So these 3 companies has performed very well. तो इसके पीछे आइडिया सर यही है कि when we got this company listed, the valuation at the time of listing was very reasonable. That is what company has performed a lot. Today you can see the magic in all 3 companies. So we believe to कि जो भी company का IPO लेके आते हैं, if we really give them the very reasonable valuation and giving an opportunity to our investor to make more money, so that is how we're looking at in future even as well.
आई थिंक नाइसली आर्टिकुलेटेड अगेन आलोक जी. आलोक जी, मुझे बताइए कि ओवरऑल एसएमई ग्रो मार्केट का जो ग्रोथ है पिछले 2 साल से, द मार्केट फॉर एसएमई मार्केट हैज ग्रोन सिग्निफिकेंटली. इन योर असेसमेंट, हाउ बिग इज दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी? एसएमई मार्केट इंडिया में कितना बड़ा है, और उस मार्केट में हाउ डज ग्रेटेक्स प्लान टू कैपिटलाइज गोइंग फॉरवर्ड इन द नेक्स्ट 2 to 3 years? क्योंकि इंडियन इकोनॉमी ग्रो कर
Yeah.
रही है, गवर्नमेंट भी एसएमईज को प्रमोट कर रही है.
Yes.
ऑन दिस व्हाट इज योर थॉट्स?
Right. See, my thought is that honorable our Prime Minister, Mr. Modi, set target of 5 trillion economy. And to reach that economy, MSME has a huge role to play. Many availing benefit of PLI schemes, most companies still unlisted, they can take advantage of this SME platform to grow. 10 years back, investor had no knowledge of SME IPO, and now they are just trying to get allotment in any SME IPO, as they have confidence that they will grow their wealth. So idea is that today, if you see post COVID, the entire SME market has got matured like anything. Today, whatever company I have just shared you 3 names, Kalyani Castek, Amic Forging, and then this OS Metals. All this company, if you see the kind of subscription which the company has got, is tremendous. It's more than 200 times all 3 company has get the subscription, and listing gain was more than 90%, 100%, and 250%. So this is possible only once there is a huge demand from the investor side as well. Earlier, pre-COVID, no institution, even like no bankers, no mutual fund were investing in SMEs. But after COVID, lot of interest from the institution has started investing in SMEs. So this is the you can say the kind of big opportunity for all the companies who are ready to raise money from the SME platform. And there we can see the huge opportunity. As I said, Modi government, our Prime Minister has given the target to reach 5 trillion economy. So definitely SME are going to play a big role, and we are going to support all the way wherever can be done from our side.
आई थिंक राइटली मेंशन्ड बाय यू आलोक जी, क्योंकि एसएमई मार्केट इंडिया में काफी हद तक एमएसएमई और एसएमई मार्केट गवर्नमेंट भी प्रमोट करेगा. Now tell me one thing, Alok
Yeah.
ji, in terms of the competitive intensity, see, we see a lot of SME merchant bankers now in the market. In what way is Gretex different? जब आप corporate clients को मिलते हो, when you think about doing their public issues, what is the differentiating factor what Gretex offers to them? Is it the valuation part? Is it some other kind of, is it your execution track record? तो सर दो तीन क्वालिटेटिव पॉइंट्स हमको बताइए कि जिससे हमको पता चले कि आप दूसरों से बेहतर काम करते हो और इसीलिए शायद आपको सक्सेस भी उतना ही मिला है.
Yeah. So definitely there is a 2-3 points I really want to highlight. If you see any SME company who does listing, जो listing करवाते हैं, technically speaking and practically what we feel and what we have seen even in last 7-8 years, that promoter doesn't know how to act in the capital market. They know how to do the business only, and that should be done. It should be followed like that only. So when we have started listing, हमने भी काफी कंपनियों को पहले लिस्टिंग करवाई. After listing हमने कभी कोई हैंड होल्डिंग नहीं करी. So because they don't know how to perform in the equity market after the listing done. So जिन कंपनियों को हैंड होल्डिंग किसी ने प्रॉपर तरीके से नहीं किया है, वो कंपनियां परफॉर्म करने के बावजूद भी उनको जो उनकी वैल्यू अनलॉक होनी चाहिए थी आफ्टर द लिस्टिंग, वो समहाउ नहीं हो पाई, राइट? सो देयर वी आर प्लेइंग अ बिग रोल बिकॉज नाउ वट एवर कंपनी वी डू फ्रॉम लास्ट 3-4 years, यू कैन सी द मोस्ट ऑफ द कंपनी की हैंड होल्डिंग हम आज भी कर रहे हैं. Okay, so what we commit whenever we sign any mandate for any SME company who wanted to list, we commit them that even after the listing, uh, hand holding from the merchant banker side will be there at least for 3 to 4 years, because it is very important for hand holding them, because they don't know to conduct an AGM, how to keep the record, how to maintain the books of accounts. So there we need to guide them in most of the places that at which time you have to give an update. आपको कौन सी न्यूज फ्लैश करनी चाहिए, कौन सी फ्लैश नहीं करनी चाहिए, हाउ टू इनकैश द बेनिफिट, मतलब आपको किस तरह से परफॉर्म करना चाहिए in your balance sheet event to more transparent manner. So these kind of help is much more required for any SMEs companies which they generally don't get. So there I think Gretex plays a very big role in terms of hand holding them for at least 3 to 4 years even after the listing. This number one. Number two, market making, as most of the merchant banker has their own marketing entity as well. So market maker is also going to play a very important role even after the listing. So there we also play a different role, that even after doing the listing, we completely trying to create a proper market making for the company. We try to support the price. We try to enhance the value of the investor, even of the promoter, that if company has performed well in the financial, in the report, so there has to be proper market making, so that the unlocking the value of the investors and the promoter has to be there. So there we try to play a big role as a market maker. If we need to invest more money, then we also do the same. That is how I think these two role we are playing in a big way to have some difference compared to others.
Yeah, ठीक है. I think again, Alok ji, very nicely explained by you. Alok ji, now let's come to the financials. FY24 has been a very blockbuster year. We have seen revenue growing by almost 11 times. Profit after tax भी करीबन 36 crores था. So first of all, I wanted to understand that what were the main contributors for this profit. इतना बड़ा jump profit में आया है. इसका significant reason क्या है? If you can please tell us.
Yeah, sure. So, sir, if you see for FY23, our standalone profit was about 5.50 CR, if I'm not wrong. and our consolidated tier, because Gretex share booking was the associate company of GCSL. So we were having the 33% stake in FY23. And in FY24, we have done the right issue in GCSL, and we have raised 27 crore rupees. And that 27 crore rupees we have invested to acquire the shares of broking from the selling shareholders. So our stake has been increased from, I'm just telling you, yeah, it was 31.05% in FY23, and post right issue of GCSL, we have acquired another 33%. So we were having 64.60% after the right issue of GCSL, and we have also acquired 1.11% again from our selling shareholders. So today, as on 31st March 24, GCSL is holding 65.71% of our broking. And in the broking, though we are performing very well, so the after consolidation, after being a subsidiary, so this turnover and profitability has got increased from 12 and a half. I think it was 17 crore in FY23 consolidated one, and this time I think it is more than 35 crore that we have today. This consolidation.
Yeah. So, Alokji, just wanted to understand now, since you said, this is because of the increase in the shareholding in Gretex broking that our profitability has increased significantly. Sir, आने वाले 2-3 साल में, without giving a number, कोई number देने की जरूरत नहीं है, but without giving a number, if you could share your outlook, what is the kind of opportunity and the kind of growth you visualize over the next, say, 2 to 3 years? Can we expect this strong growth to be sustained? कम से कम ये ग्रोथ देखने के बाद कोई भी बोलेगा बहुत बढ़िया नंबर है, लेकिन सस्टेनेबिलिटी अगले 2-3 साल में होपफुली अगर कैपिटल मार्केट ठीक ठाक होता है, तो कैन वी एज्यूम दिस काइंड ऑफ टू बी मेंटेन्ड?
Yeah. See, sir, to be very honest, what we believe, as I said, that when we sign any mandate, we commit to all the promoters that hand holding from our side at least for 3 to 4 years will be there. So this year, to be very honest, we have targeted to list at least 50 companies in this financial year, 50, because we have done very tremendous hard work is happening in our organization. We have increased our team like anything, even our sales, marketing, and execution. And if we add another 50 companies within this financial year, and we are also targeting to sign at least 100 mandates. So 50 company can be listed in this financial year, and in remaining 1 or 2 years, another 50 company can be get listed. So we have planned for 100 company to be listed in 2 to 3 years. That's number one. Number two, we have also targeted to doing mainboard IPO as well. So we are planning to open first mainboard IPO within this month, hopefully maybe by next month. And we have also signed at least already signed 2 mandates, 2 mainboard IPO we have already signed under the banner of Gretex. We are planning to list within this calendar year only. And we are also planning to have more mandates for mainboard IPO as well, because we have seen lot many improvement in mainboard IPO as well. So idea is that to at least 4 to 5 mainboard IPO will be doing in this financial year. Maybe next year same number can be there. And for SME, as I said, 50 companies to be done by this financial year, and remaining 50 can be in next two years again. So our 2-3 years projection is tentatively 100 IPO to be done, SME, and this at least 4 to 5 mainboard IPO in each financial year. That is the target of our next 2 to 3 years. So, and the kind of options, the kind of flow of the company which we are getting, I'm sure we can achieve this number.
Okay. I think Alokji, very nice to hear that. Now, Alokji, tell me one thing, that apart from the the merchant banking business, the broking business where you do market making, any other business segments you are planning to enter, like advisory, PMS, कुछ और ऐसे segments में भी आप enter करने सोच रहे हैं?
Yes. We are. I'm happy to share that we have also planning to open one AIF. The application with SEBI has already been made. We are planning to raise 100 crore rupees in category 2 AIF. We are planning to do this, number one. and we are also planning to make an application for PMS, where we wanted to have at least 100 crore rupees ka AUM that we wanted to launch within this financial year. And we are also planning to add the insurance broking, because I can see the lot many opportunities for the insurance broking as well, because whichever company we wanted to list, we can have some another revenue can be there in our broking division. We wanted to have this division under the broking only, that insurance broking, where we can have additional revenue from there. And we are also planning to have see, I have said one AIF, one PMS, and one is broking. Yeah, this three business line which you wanted to add in the days to come.
Okay. अच्छा लगा sir, very nice to hear. Now last question Alok ji, which is very important for all businesses. Typically sir,
Yeah.
हमारी business में सबसे बड़ा risk क्या है? What is the main risk in our business and how have we managed to manage this risk so optimally up till now? Sir, इसके बारे में बताइए.
Yeah. So risk in our business, basically in GCSL and in the broking, there are two common factors in both the entities. One is at hard underwriting. Whenever we do any IPO in SME, I'm basically talking about. So we need to have the underwrite the issue, that hard underwriting is there. So if issue is not subscribing by the public, then as an underwriter, we have an obligation to underwrite that, to subscribe that money as an hard underwriting category. And secondly, this when markets not doing well, market conditions when it's not good, so investor sentiment is not showing good to invest in any company. So these two concerns are there. One is hard underwriting, and one is market condition and investor sentiment in the capital market. These two risk factors are there in our industry, which we have to manage in all the time whenever this comes to in our business. Then we have to face and we have to manage whenever this is going to applicable for in any of the company.
I think Alok ji, thank you very much. बहुत अच्छी तरह से we could understand the operations of the company and accept my best wishes to you, your entire management team. सर होप करते हैं कि आगे भी ग्रेटेक्स कॉर्पोरेट अच्छे रिजल्ट्स दिखाएगा और इन्वेस्टर्स को वेल्थ क्रिएशन जनरेट करके देगा. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, Avinash ji, for this opportunity. Thank you.